Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up. All the way up. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me.
Hey everybody, this is Angie Christine from Grinderzz 24/7 magazine and TV. We are out here in sunny Las Vegas, Nevada. Yes, I am out here to interview my brother from another mother, Mr. E.G. Palms. He's out here with his brand, the Hemp Club. About to talk to him right now, see what he's up to, see what it's about. The Hemp Club, you heard it first here on Grinderzz 24/7 magazine and TV.
Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up.
So come on, take a walk with me.
They getting to the money, man. You already know what it is. I told you, big ass, got you. Hey, what's up, Angie?
Hey.
How you doing, baby? Hold on. Yo, man, I'm gonna call you back. All right? But yo, man, wire that, man. I need that bread right now. All right, let's get to it. What's up, baby girl?
What is up, bro?
How's everything?
Everything is good. Welcome to Vegas.
Yeah, thank you. I see you out here grinding 24/7.
Yes, of course. And I see you with your brand out there.
Yeah, I'm out here.
Well, this is cool. Come take a walk with me. Get your shoes on. We're going to have a little time.
I got my chancletas on, you know what I'm saying? How's the sun treating you out here?
Oh, great. Can you want me to laugh for you?
Nah, you good, princess.
Okay, all right. So let's take a walk. So, I know about you, but my grinders out there don't know about you. Just tell us a little something. Give them a little mix.
What's up, Grinderzz? 24/7. We out here. The clothing brand is called THC, the Hemp Club. Y'all can actually go check that out while we're dealing with this little interview here. That's www.thehempclubthc.com.
Well, now you guys been out here close to a week now, and I know your brand is like hot out here because it's not nowhere. Nothing has been done in what you've done with your brand.
Good.
Man. Shout out to the people that keep a brother looking good, man. You can't buy these type of services, man. Say hello to the people.
Hey.
It's my stylist right there, y'all. She don't come cheap neither, you heard?
Nope, you gotta tuck your pockets in.
I got great people in my life, man.
We love you, IP.
I found out that you got your stuff in Snoop Dogg's store out here in Las Vegas.
Yeah, which is called The Plates. You know, shout out to everybody that's at The Plates. You know, y'all make sure y'all check them out, you know what I mean? Shout out to Big A, you know, shout out to Percy. Shout out to the whole Dog Pound, shout out to the whole Ruthless. Special shout out to DC Cole, you know what I mean, for connecting the dots here and all that, you know?
So let me ask you this. When did you birth this? When did you think of that great idea to have this brand out?
The brand, I can say the brand, I started the brand about 5 years now.
Hi, have a nice day.
Thank you, honey.
We're from Canada.
We're from New York.
Shout out to Canada. You know what I mean? But yeah, I started the brand, the Hemp Club, about 5 years ago. Was inspired by my mom. You know, she was developed with cancer, and you know, the whole holistic lifestyle influenced me into dealing with a brand with information that could be shared to the people.
Right. Okay, all right. So tell me, where do you see your brand? Like, where do you want to take it in the next 5 years? Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
Well, the next 5 years, that's too far. So like right now, you know, I'm looking to deal with situations where getting the brand in Nordstrom's. But right now, I'm focusing out here on the West Coast, you know, because of the mind state and the fact that marijuana and hemp is legalized out here, you know. So, you know, I'm just looking to rub elbows with some shakers and some movers, you know, that have the same mindset as myself, and you know, build the brand into a real big empire.
Right, okay. What else are you selling?
Besides the shirts, we have jackets, You know, I have the Mount High Club edition, which we have the travel bags, duffel bags. You know, it's actually come with this umbrella here.
Nice. Keeping me cool.
You know? So we also got the flip-flops, you know, working on...
I was staring at those flip-flops. Those are dope.
Thanks. You know, so it's building the brand into a real big empire. You know, we're working on with some future partners. The Hemp Club will be having our own THC papers.
Great, awesome. So besides the Hemp Club, you also are into music.
Yeah.
Let the people know. Like, have you had anything out recently, or you know?
Yeah, most def.
Nothing promised where I'm from. No golden opportunities that did slim to none. Mama said, make something out of yourself before your days are numbered. Chisel my nizzle, kept it official. My brother from another mother, he introduced me to Funk Flex, franchise management. Now I'm a street puller, shutting down every account we get.
Actually, you guys can start off by downloading the app, THC ENT Music Group. You can follow me all on my social media through there. You can also check me out on Pandora, Spotify, Tidal. All those streaming.
Just download the app.
Just download the app. Man. You gonna get it, you know? You know, we got Weekday Weekend out there, which we'll be shooting the video and all that out here in Vegas. You know, so you definitely gotta bring your peoples around.
Great. So now, if anybody wants to purchase some of your stuff, where's the link?
You guys want to purchase? Again, you just go on www.thehempclubthc.com. You'll find your music, your fashion, music videos. You also get invited to my events that we do every week on the rooftop in New York. So we're going to be shutting down the parties out here in Vegas.
That is great. That is awesome. I know you're going to laugh at this, but has anybody ever told you about your change besides your sis?
Oh, man. They calling me 2 Chainz out here. They calling me Snoop Dogg out here. They calling me Tupac with Drags out here, man. But I just love the love, man. I just embrace it all. You know what I'm saying? I don't feel no way about it.
Great.
They said black people, we all look the same, right?
So, let everybody know, bro. How can they reach you? Social media?
Grinderzz 24/7. You can reach me at www.thehempclubthc.com. You guys can also download the app, THC ENT Music Group. It's on Android and on Apple.
All right.
You want to go to Spotify, Pandora, you put in the Hemp Club, Itchy Palms IP, new single about to drop soon, Weekday Weekend. You guys can check out right now, HD, which is called Head Designer, out right now. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, The Hemp Club THC.
There you have it. Again, this is me, Angie Christine, always on the grind. Grinderzz 24/7, magazine and TV. Again with your boy, Itchy Palms, my brother from another mother. Peace out.
For Monday, sign up, I get my ones up. Thank God my family don't need no more. Nothing. Before Tuesday sunset, be sure my squad said, thank God my family don't need no more. Nothing. You straight? Paper chasing Mondays, turn up Tuesdays, wild out Wednesdays, reservation Thursday, then fly out on a Friday. Saturday we celebrate, Sunday morning we popping bottles and do it all again.